Hello po, Ka Marvin. Happy birthday po. God bless you.
Happy birthday sa aming brother, Ka Marvin. Wishing you all the best. Stay handsome and good health. Of course, nag-gym ka kaya road to physically fit ang atake mo dyan. Happy birthday ulit!
Hello po, Ka Marvin. Happy birthday sa iyo. Ayan, wish ko sana good health and more blessings to come. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit, Ka Marvin.
Happy birthday, Ka Marvin! I miss you guys. I miss you all. And sana happy ka. Always happy. And stay as you are. Ingat ka lagi. More birthdays to come. I miss you all talaga. I miss you all very much. And I miss your room, Ka Marvin. And miss ko na rin si Ka Erwin. Miss ko na yung voice ni Ka Erwin. Again, remember, sabi ko na sa inyo, I miss you all. Again, happy birthday po. Bye-bye, guys. Ingat kayong lahat.
Happy birthday po, Ka Marvin. Support ka lang namin sa goals mo sa life. Laban lang, Proud kami sa iyo. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Ka Marvin. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po, Ka Marvin. Proud kami sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Teacher Marvin! Yay! Waki! Yung pang-Jollibee, padala mo na lang. Wala ka dito.
Happy birthday, Marvin. Happy birthday, Taiwan.
From Philippines!
Happy birthday, Ben!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Birthday!
I wish you the best on your special day.
Tito Ami, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ikaw, Jerry. Sige na, Jerry.
Hi Marvin, I want to wish you happy birthday and I'm very proud of you, Dodong. I hope you have the best day of your life today. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marvin. Happy birthday to you.
Ben, happy birthday. Palaing ka ng mahabang buhay at malusog na pangangatawan. Mabuhay ka, Marvin.
Ben, happy birthday. Hindi ko talaga maisip na 35 ka na ngayon birthday. Maraming salamat sa tulong mo sa amin. Ingat ka lang. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa mga kapatid na nagmamahal sa iyo dyan.